everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram memories to story. So first, we need to open Instagram app. Once Instagram opens, stay on the homepage because this is where memory notifications usually appear. Now, there are two different ways Instagram memories can show up. The first way is through the memories notification on your homepage. So sometimes Instagram will display something like see your memory from this day or look back on this moment. If you see that pop up near the top of your feed, simply tap on it. And as soon as you tap it, Instagram will open that old memory for you. So this could be an old story you posted, a photo, or even a real memory from months or years ago. Then at the bottom of that memory, Instagram usually gives you a share option or an add to story button. So tap on add to story, and once you do that, Instagram will automatically load the memory into the story editor. Now for the second method, so click on your profile picture at the bottom right, click on the three lines at the top right. Next, you can go to archive or you can go to your activity and look for the archive button. Now from here, look for the memory that you want to share to your story. For example, this one. So once you open your memory, click on share at the bottom. So Instagram will send that old memory into the story editing screen where you can decorate it, write captions, you can add music. So you can also make any changes you want before posting. Then simply tap your story and it will be shared. So let's do that. So as you can see, added to story. So go and open your profile picture or click that circle right there. And as you can see, it's been shared to my story. Now, one important thing to remember is that Instagram memories are basically reposted content, so adding a new caption, funny sticker, or updated reaction makes it feel fresh for viewers instead of just an old repeat upload. And that's basically how to share Instagram memories to your Instagram story. Thank you for watching.